Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crème brûlée torch is probably one of the most essential tools for achieving that perfect caramelized sugar crust on your crème brûlée, and in this video, we will explore what makes a great crème brûlée kitchen torch, the different types available, and most importantly, how to use them to create that signature crackly top that elevates this classic dessert from good to unforgettable. We'll cover everything from flame adjustment to safety tips, ensuring you can confidently create restaurant-quality crème brûlée at home. Number 5. Sondiko Butane Torch S400. It features a safety lock to prevent accidents, a wide base for stability, and a protective design to keep your hands safe from the flame. It's made with durable, high-quality materials for long-lasting use. Refilling is simple with any butane brand, sold separately. Just slide the lock and light it with the easy piezo ignition. It's portable enough for camping or barbecues. Perfect for crème brûlée, searing steaks, or even toasting marshmallows. It's also great for lighting fireplaces, candles, or for arts and crafts. It has an adjustable flame temperature up to 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control. The continuous flame mode makes cooking and baking a breeze. It works with all butane tanks. A convenient adapter is included for use with short nozzle tanks, ensuring a perfect fit every time. What we like? It features a safety lock to prevent accidents and an adjustable flame for precise control. Because it's compatible with all butane tanks, you'll never be caught without fuel. If you prioritize safety and versatility above all else, this is the torch for you. What people say? It's easy to use, with a sturdy design, safety lock, and adjustable flame that offers excellent control for various tasks. The refillable feature is convenient, and it's compatible with all standard butane tanks, making refueling simple. The adjustable flame feature lets me change the intensity depending on what I'm working on. Number 4. Joe Chef Superior RX Torch. It's the perfect tool for any culinary enthusiast. Reach temperatures up to 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit and create restaurant-quality meals at home. It features an adjustable flame and multiple safety locks for ease of use and peace of mind. Even beginners can use it safely. This versatile tool isn't just for cooking. It's great for DIY projects, from jewelry making to lighting candles. It comes in a deluxe gift box, making it a thoughtful present for any occasion. No wrapping needed. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 36-month warranty and a free recipe ebook. Try it today. With 2 butane canisters included, it's ready to use right out of the box. Add some flame to your cooking. What we like? This torch comes with 2 butane canisters, saving you a trip to the store. Multiple safety features ensure worry-free use, and the deluxe gift box makes it a perfect present. If convenience and gifting are important to you, this is the ideal choice. What people say? The construction is solid, and was happy to find me as a replacement for my previous one that broke after half a year of usage. The flame is so much stronger than my previous one, allowing me to do a perfect sear so easily. It's so easy to fill and it is so easy to use. 1 knob and 1 button. This thing is lightweight and fits great in my hand. Great. It's easy to control the flame and adjust with ease. Easy to use. I made crème brûlée and the sugar topping turned out as I hoped. It's quite strong too. I think that'll be handy depending on what I'm preparing. Number 3. TBTEEK Butane Torch. It features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition. The ergonomic design is comfortable to hold and keeps your hands safely away from the flame. This handy torch is refillable, and comes with 3 adapters for various butane tanks. It's small and lightweight, perfect for taking anywhere. It's great for so many things. From crème brûlée to soldering, you can adjust the flame temperature up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your needs. Lighting it is easy with the piezo ignition. Once lit, simply rotate to keep the flame going without needing to hold the button. It's built to last with durable aluminum alloy. And it comes with a 1-year warranty and excellent customer support. What we like? It includes 3 adapters for compatibility with various butane tanks, ensuring a perfect fit. The sturdy aluminum alloy construction ensures longevity. If you need a reliable, long-lasting, and budget-friendly option, this is it. What people say. Adjustable and precise flame, easy to use, and a great value. Very powerful and adjustable flame. This is the best kitchen torch I've used. Good flame adjustment, no problems with igniter, comfortable, plenty of heat for my purposes. Number 2. Kitchen cooking torch. It's perfect for professional chefs and home bakers. Its consistent flame and reliable piezo ignition ensure quick lighting every time. Easily adjust the flame with the gas flow regulator. It creates a flame up to 6 inches long, reaching 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit 1,300 degrees Celsius, and refills quickly with any butane, not included. The built-in finger guard protects against burns. It's made with durable, ergonomic aluminum and ABS plastic for comfortable use. It's not just for the kitchen. Use it for sous vide, flambe, searing, cocktails, lighting fires, crafts, and more. This culinary torch makes a memorable gift for friends and family. It comes in a deluxe box, ready for gifting. What we like. The integrated finger guard provides extra protection from burns. It delivers an unmatched, consistent flame for professional results. If you value safety and consistent performance, this torch is for you. What people say. The flame is adjustable, allowing for precise control depending on what you're using it for, and the safety lock is a great feature for peace of mind. It's also easy to refill. It's compact enough to store away when not in use. Number 1. EurKitchen Premium Culinary Torch. This is more than just a kitchen tool, it's a culinary masterpiece. Its robust design and powerful flame make cooking and crafting easier than ever before. It's built to last, with a high-quality mechanism ensuring reliable ignition every time. The large, sturdy body provides superior control and comfort. Easily adjust the flame to your exact needs, from a gentle caress to a powerful sear. The integrated fuel gauge keeps you informed of the butane level. Your safety is our priority. The safety lock and finger guard protect you from burns, ensuring worry-free use. From crème brûlée to searing meats, and even starting campfires, it's a versatile tool for any occasion. Unleash your creativity. It's the perfect present for any occasion. This premium torch is backed by a lifetime warranty, ensuring years of culinary adventures. What we like. Its larger size offers better control and a comfortable grip. The built-in fuel gauge lets you monitor gas levels easily. The lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. If you want a comfortable, durable, and worry-free torch, this is the one. What people say. Works well, stable when you set it down, good flame control. Flames on easily, has a good mechanism to stop the gas from flowing, hand guard, and nice blue flame that was adjustable with turning the knob. The platform is wide and has nice balance, and you can put the torch down without looking straight at it, which is good because I am usually looking at the ring. There is a dial on the back of the torch where you can go from a flame about 1 centimeter all the way to about a 3-inch flame. So it gets plenty hot, but you can always dial it back. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.